Hello elite students, I'm Gagan and I welcome you all to Cyber Class. So children, in our previous class, we learned about the types of computer and today we will start with our second lesson, that is types of software. Before that, do you know what is software? Let us discuss it first. As human beings, we all know how to perform our day-to-day activities and how to react in certain situations. For example, when we feel hungry, what do? Yes, we eat. When we get tired of walking, we sit down. When we touch something extremely hot, we immediately remove our hand. Have you ever thought, how do we know what to do in these situations? It is the brain that gives us the instructions to act and react in this manner. Similarly, a computer gets all the instructions from the software to perform various tasks. The software is the soul of a computer, without which it cannot work. So, computer is a machine that does not possess any intelligence of its own. A computer without instructions is like a car without an engine. So computer requires a set of instructions given by a user to work. These sets of instructions, they are known as programs which are written in computer languages. So definition of software will be, the software is a collection of programs that are stored and run on the computer hardware and help users to work on the computer. The software is that part of the computer which cannot be touched or seen. There are two types of software, system software and application software. Further, system software is divided into three parts: operating system, utility software and language processor, and application is divided into two parts, general and specific softwares. First is system software. System software is defined as a collection of programs that controls the overall operations and internal working of a computer system. It reads data from input devices and transfers the processed information to the output devices. System software, for example, if you use an email software program and want to print an email, your computer operating system communicates with your software and a printer to print an email. System software is of three types. First is operating system. An operating system works like the principal of your school. The principal has various responsibilities to manage the school, like supervising the students, teachers, and workers, maintaining discipline, setting the examination schedule, timetable, curriculum, and attending to parents and visitors. In the same manner, an operating system performs various functions to manage the working of a computer. Imagine what will happen if there is no principal in a school. Everything will be mismanaged. Similarly, if the operating system of a computer is not working properly, you cannot work on it. So an operating system is needed to operate a computer. It controls the overall activities of a computer. It acts as a link between the user and the hardware and enables them to work together. When the computer is switched on, the operating system is the first program that gets loaded in its memory. MS-DOS, Windows XP, Windows 8, there are some popular operating system now functions. An operating system controls the working of all input and output devices. An operating system assigns memory to various programs whenever required. It runs the application software like MS Paint, Microsoft Word, MS PowerPoint, etc. An operating system manages the working of the processor by allocating various jobs to it. An operating system keeps track of information regarding creation, deletion, transfer, and storage of files in an organized way. types of operating systems. First is single user, then multi-user, and then multitasking. Single user operating system allows only one user to use computer system at any given time. This is the most common type of operating system that is used in homes and offices. For example, here if this girl will use computer system first, only after her the boy can use a computer system. Multi-user. A multi-user operating system allows multiple users on different computers to access a system at the same time. These computers are connected to the main computer through a network. The multi-user operating system can handle the various needs and requests of all the users simultaneously. These are some examples of multi-user operating system. For example, in a computer lab, a single printer is attached with all the computer devices. Now multitasking. Multitasking operating system allows a user to run more than one application programs at the same time. In it, the operating system keeps track of the program you are in and allows you to switch from one program to another without losing information. These are some examples. Windows is an example of multitasking operating system. Even you can listen to music while writing a letter to your friend. Today we discussed page number 16, 17 and 18 of your Cyberbrains book. Children, your homework for today is that you have to do fill in the blanks part 1, 2 and 3 on page number 23 and multiple choice question part 2 on page number 25 in your book only, and you have to answer the following in your notebooks. First question is define the term software, name its type. Answer is on page number 16 and you have to draw this flowchart also. Question 2 is what is an operating system? Briefly explain any two of its functions. Answer is on page number 17. You can write any of the two functions of operating system in your notebook, and your activity is that you have to match the following on page number 12 in your book. Children, if any doubt comes, do ask me. Till then, take care. Goodbye.